It's Minecraft Kart Races! Who's the fastest character of them all? Pick a side. Copy the dance move to choose your player. Cheer them to victory to see who wins. Get ready for match number 1. It's the villager versus the chicken. Copy the dance to choose your side. It's Steve versus a creeper. Copy the dance to choose your side. It's the Ghast versus the Piglin. Copy the dance to choose your side. It's our first bonus question. Which Minecraft character is this? It's the skeleton. Here we go. It's the skeleton versus Blaze. Copy the dance to choose your side. It's the spider versus the zombie. Copy the dance to choose your side.
And they're off. Pink and cyan trails blaze across the dirt as the racers launch into the night. The zombie keeps it steady, but the spider is creeping up on the inside. Side by side over the bridge. Look at those particles fly into the final climb.
It's the creeper versus the chicken. Copy the dance to choose your side. It's the Piglin versus the Ghast. Copy the dance to choose your side.
What's the inside of the gold races?
It's the Enderman versus the dragon. Copy the dance to choose your side. It's Steve versus the dragon. Copy the dance to choose your side.
Try to keep up, Scaly. Grr, you won't win this time, human. Final stretch. Let's go.
It's our final bonus game. Can you help us find the diamond? It's going to be moving around behind these 3 boxes. Keep your eyes on it. See if you can complete the round. Good luck. Copy the dance to where you think it is. Search Coach Corey Martin for even more brain break fun. Thanks for playing. Want a sweet t-shirt or a hoodie like this? Check out CoachCoreyMartin.com. You can have a seat now.